Candlestick patterns. I know candles again. Yes. When it comes to forex, candles are everything. So this is going to be a very short one too. Candlestick patterns are simply the way candles form that tell you what price probably wants to do. Let me come again. Candlestick patterns means the way some certain candles would form that will tell you what the price in the market wants to do. Now, there are different types of candlestick patterns. I cannot say it in this video, even though we'll be here for a very long time. But the most common ones are things like a morning star candlestick pattern, evening star candlestick pattern. We have the three black crows. It's a candlestick pattern. We have the three white horses. Sorry, the three horsemen. It's a candlestick pattern too, right? Now, all these things, all these candlestick patterns, when you see them on your chart, it means that price wants to do something. Probably it wants to move up or move back or change direction, you know. So that's why candlestick patterns are very, very important. And the only way you can really understand candlestick patterns is by studying the charts, looking at the charts, because these patterns repeat themselves. They repeat themselves. So why we can know that candlestick patterns work is because over time, these candlestick patterns repeat themselves. And when they repeat themselves, 90% of the time, the price does something that is synonymous with that pattern. I hope you understand. It's pretty straightforward, but read about it. Candlestick patterns. See you in the next video.